Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Now we are going to solve the second question of Model 2. Number A is number A, negative 2, closed interval negative 2 and 5, difference 4 and 6. In order to solve this problem correctly, number 4 is opened here. 4 is opened. So in order to solve this problem, it's better to draw the number line. So this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and so on. Negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, so on to negative infinity. The first interval is negative 2, and this is closed interval, and 5 is closed also. So let's shade this area, and the second interval is negative 4, and 4 is opened, so this is 4, and 6 is closed, so this is second interval, and this is difference. Means to find the elements that exist in the first interval only, which is shown by this area, from negative 2 to 4. So this is the difference, the element that exists in the first interval only, and we can write it like this. To be equals negative 2 exists in the first, negative 2, and this is closed, and 4 not exist in the second but exist in the first, so it will be always us. So the answer is negative 4, and negative 4, negative 2, negative 4 and negative 2 and 4. This is closed intervals. Number 2. Complete the same pattern: square root of 5, square root of 20, square root of 45, square root of 8. In order to find this, we will find square root of 20 first, which is equals square root of 20 equals 4 times 5 equals 4. What the square root of 4 is? The square root of 4 is 2, and 5 has no square root. And then we will find the square root of 45. Square root of 45 equals square root of 45 equals 9 times 5, and 9 has square root which is 3, and square root of 5 has no square root. Square root of 80 equals, we can, as you know, we can factorize it. So 80 divided 2 is 40, divided 2 is 10, divided 2, so 40 is 20, 40 divided 2 is 20, divided 2 is 10, divided 2 is 5, 5, 1. From these 2 we take only 1, 2. 2 times 2 is 4, so it will be 4 square root of 5. So square root of 20, we can write it in this pattern: square root of 5, 2 square root of 5, 3 square root of 5, 4 square root of 5, and the next will be 1, 2, 3, 4 to be 5 square root of 5. We can write it again in this form. It will be square root of 25 times 5, which will be equals square root of 125. So we can write it in this form: 5 square root of 5, or square root of 125. Let's solve the second question. Let's solve the second question. number number C. Number C. If x equals cube root of 3 plus 7 and y equals cube root of 3 minus 7. The required is to find x plus y all for 3. So first we will find x plus y equals cube root of 3 plus 7 plus cube root of 3 minus 7. As you know, a number, so this is cube root of 3 plus. So as you know, a number plus its additive inverse will be 0. So this is 7, this is negative 7 will be cancelled. So, and this will be equals cube root of 3 plus cube root of 3, which is equals, this means 1 cube root of 3 plus 1 cube root of 3, which means 2 cube root of 3. So the required is power 3 x plus, so x plus y all power 3 equals 2 cube root of 3 all power 3. Now we are going to distribute the power, you know the rule of distributing power, so it will be equals, it will equal 2 power 3 times cube root of 3 all power 3, so it will be 2 power 8, sorry, it will be 2 power 3 is 8, 2 power 3 is 8 times, as you know, the power 3 cancel cube root of 3, so it will be 3, so 8 times 3 equals 24. 24. In order to solve this second question, we will change this for a while. So ABC, now we are going to solve number D. Difference negative 3 and 4, difference the set 3 and 4. And as you know, this means that difference the element that exists in the first and not exist in the second, or the element that exists in the first only. So this is the reason wrong here. So negative 3. So this is negative 3. This is negative 3. And so this will be negative 3. So we'll remove. How to remove negative 3 from the first? What will be opened? So it will be negative 3 only. By removing 4, it will be 4 opened from both sides. This means that negative 3 and 4 not belong to this interval. Number E, cube root of x power 6. This means that we will divide the power by the index 3, so x equals 6 divided 3 equals 2. So the answer will be x power 2. So the answer here, will be 24 as here. So this is 24, and this is the open interval negative 3 and 4, and the answer will be x squared. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next video.